Hi friends, we welcome you on your favorite YouTube channel Gagan Bharari Limitless. Today we are going to discuss a book, The Alchemist, which is a bestseller worldwide. The Alchemist is one of the few books that breaks all the barriers of place, time, region, and language and rules the world. The Alchemist was first published in 1988 by Brazilian author Paulo Coelho. The fact is that a person who has the ability is rarely accepted in the first try. When republished, it was translated into more than 80 languages worldwide and entered the Guinness Book of World Records. Alchemist is a source of inspiration, a life changer for everyone around us, beckon for many newcomers on the path of their dreams. The Alchemist is the story of a thrilling, wonderful, inspiring journey by a free-spirited, aspiring shepherd to fulfill his dream. When you want something, all the universe conspires helping you to achieve it. When you sincerely think of a road, a path, a goal, a passion, you must have the courage to walk on it. Santiago is a typical shepherd in Andalusia, Spain, like you and me, who immerse himself in an unknown world and unknown lands in search of the treasure of his life. In this wonderful journey, Santiago seeks the best of his merits and finds the best version of himself. In this dream journey, you will learn new things, expand the horizon of knowledge, increase the mind of experiences, discover your own talent. That's the treasure of your life. Santiago, a shepherd, was having a dream. Santiago's mind was fluttering in the dilemma of whether to lean towards that dream or not. From his childhood, Santiago had a great desire to see the world. According to Santiago, the possibility of a dream come true makes life interesting and beautiful. Words can inspire a person, thoughts can make a person stand up, but action taken to fulfill a dream brings a person closer to dreams. When we begin to take a step towards dream, God or Almighty Nature gives us good luck, signs or opportunities. Santiago often dreams of having a treasure under a pyramid in Egypt, thousands of kilometers away from Spain. An old Wonder Woman from Tarifa was famous for interpreting dreams. Saying dreams are the language of God to communicate with us, she asked for 1/10 of the treasure. Confused, Santiago dreams of the future while the shepherd's path was in state of flux. An old man who calls himself the King of Salem, inspiring Santiago to move towards the fulfillment of his dream. Santiago understands that dreams have a price. The next day, Santiago sells his sheep and leaves for Africa. As soon as they set foot in the African port of Tangier, all of Santiago's wealth was looted. Lonely, frustrated, desperate, Santiago begins to think of going to Spain again. The words of the King of Salem inspire Santiago again. Santiago thinks in his mind that he should consider himself victim of the situation or prove himself brave. Santiago works year-round in the shop of crystal merchant who lacks innovation and does not keep up with times. Santiago saves enough money to return to Spain to raise sheep, but following hints, he puts everything back on track and heads for a caravan to Egypt. In caravan, there was a friendship between Santiago and Englishman who was in search of the alchemist. While Santiago is learning all these secrets in the school of experiences, Englishman tries to learn through complex books. Everyone's way of learning is different. We should respect them. Caravan stops at the oasis Al Fayoum due to the war of nomadic tribes in the desert. There is a language that everyone on earth can understand, which is older than humanity. That's the language of love. Santiago falls in love with a beautiful girl named Fatima. Santiago asks Fatima to marry him. Santiago thinks Fatima is more important. While dreaming of a golden love life, he forgets the purpose of his life. Fatima truly loved Santiago, forgetting all differences of religion, caste, creed, etc. Saying that true love never interferes with dreams, Fatima inspires Santiago to fulfill his dream again. Santiago's cleverness led to his appointment as an advisor to Oasis. Alchemist and Santiago's meeting and discussion are the integral part of the novel The Alchemist. The position of a consultant, money, prestige, and love for Fatima make Santiago somewhat stable. The alchemist tells Santiago not to be overwhelmed by tempting moments. You will temporarily forget your goal, but as time goes on, your ability to achieve goal will be lost. Fatima patiently bids farewell to Santiago. Thrilling, life-changing journey of Santiago and the alchemist begins. Santiago talks to the alchemist to resolve many of his doubts. Why should anyone listen to his heart? Heart is sometimes very emotional. Sometimes it is addicted to love. Sometimes it has a fear of failure. Sometimes it is happy. The alchemist explains Santiago that these are all signs that your heart is alive. Lead all these emotions towards your goal. You cannot keep your heart calm. Sometimes the heart will complain, but try to overcome it. Santiago asks that state of mind is often volatile while pursuing a goal. What is the solution to the fear of losing everything? The fear of losing one's own self. The alchemist explains to Santiago that the goal-oriented person becomes one with God or omnipotent nature. The fear of having rejected for failure is worse than the actual failure. Everyone in this world has a dream. A lot of people ignore it. There are very few people who struggle to fulfill the dream. Many of the challenges of these struggling people are met with adversity. The journey begins by acquiring new skills, maintaining perseverance, adapting to the situation. One has to break down one's own boundaries and becomes his own motivator. The alchemist will be the only one who overcomes all the obstacles like fear of being destroyed completely, wanting to return to the rooted path. The storms in the Santiago's mind stops. The feeling of happiness created in the Santiago's heart. God dwells in the heart of a happy man. Santiago's mind becomes one with the spirit of the world and begins to understand the language of the world. When you are closer to dreams come true, your destiny tests the abilities of all the skills acquired during the process. During this test, many people give up their dream. Every search begins with beginner's luck and every search ends with victors being severely tested. Santiago and the alchemist got into trouble with nomadic gangs. During the evaluation of gold, the metal reached its peak, so it gained value. Other metals also have their value and usefulness, but seeing gold as a valuable asset rather than a sign of evaluation led to fierce war. The robbers looted all their possessions. Santiago is challenged to reflect himself into the wind or face the death penalty. Using his knowledge and skills acquired till death, Santiago becomes one with language of nature and universe. He communicates with the desert, wind, sea and sun and reflects himself into the wind, reaches the highest stage, reaches the limitless possibility. After saying goodbye to the alchemist, Santiago embarks on the final journey alone in search of the treasure. While digging the pyramid, Santiago is once again robbed by robbers. The gold given by the alchemist saves Santiago's life. From his dream of one of the robbers, Santiago realizes that treasure is in the Andalusia under the sycamore tree in Spain. Santiago completes full cycle in search of treasure. Santiago got the treasure. He has to complete tough journey and has to acquire efficiencies to fulfill dream. If you like a book review of The Alchemist, then like and subscribe our YouTube channel Gagan Bharari Limitless. Give your valuable reply and suggestion in the comment box. Thanks.